Arunachal Pradesh China ni sengkrak rok bai chuba khwlaiwi Bharat ni khorok phano sengkrak thwiliya sak deramani bo mungsa koktuma kwrwi kwrak sala Lok Sabha bo obahani sakha statement rikha Defense Minister Rajnath Singh botebo sakha ario je kuno challenge ni chuba ni bagui chini sengkrak rok tiar wngsakhni sakha bo
आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं इस गरिमामयी सदन को अरुणाचल प्रदेश के तवांग सेक्टर में हमारी सीमा पर 9 दिसंबर 2022 को हुई एक घटना के बारे में अवगत कराना चाहूँगा।
Ladang ni patimuni yagulo thanai hatiwo Arunachal Pradesh ni ariwo haino hai Bharat ni sengkrak rok bai lal force rok saprok laikha obnoti Lok Sabha Defense Minister Rajnath Singh ni statement shanka kebengnai bodol rok obnoti asalo Defense Minister saka thanai hatiwo China sengkrak rok bai chuba khwlaiwi chini khoroksa phano sengkrak rok thwiya kuni botoni bwkhaktwi khoroksa khorok ni sak derakha asalo sengkrak rok no salute khwlaiwi saka bo chini ari no bansrinani bagui chini sengkrak rok smai tangjak ang puitu chao chini sengkrak rok khak rak japriti chini sengkrak rok ni sakabo puitu tongo.
China has always had the intention of occupying Arunachal, and India has categorically told them that Arunachal continues to be an inalienable part of India and not even a single inch of its territory will be compromised. We are absolutely alert. The Chinese, as is their forte, they intruded into our area on the 9th of December. Indian troops were very alert and we warned them to get away from that area. Possibly they did not, which resulted in a skirmish between the two sides. Our soldiers have suffered minor injuries, but Chinese have suffered similar injuries in much greater strength. There was a flag meeting between the two sides, and after the flag meeting, both sides have disengaged and returned back to their normal positions. Since 2006, this has been ongoing off and on as far as Arunachal is concerned because of differing perceptions of the two countries as far as the exact location of the LAC, and both sides patrol as per their perceived LAC.
To decide the actual line of actual control, but then China has not been agreeing so, and according to India, the line actually which divides India and China is what we consider the line of actual control, and China considers something else. So there is always a skirmish between India and China at the border, say in Arunachal or at Ladakh, and China always has been doing this kind of misadventure. But then at Galwan, we gave them a good lesson. We taught them a very, very strong lesson. And here also in Tawang, on 9th December, when this kind of act was done, this kind of misadventure was done by Chinese troops, we have taught the Chinese a good lesson. The commanders of both the levels have had...
Lok Sabha statement rimani shakang. Bharat China arini situation tie asalo phungo Army Chief General Manoj Pandey, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval no khobui kuchuk beramni officers rong no tie koklam achukha Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Bureau report, Khorok.